Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to enable the nightlight or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on the display. Now let's localize the option nightlight, so this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. And if you want to, you can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you are a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Let's tap on the nightlight, and here we've got the switcher. Thanks to it we can change the intensity. By going to the left you can make it cooler, it is not really that visible, and by going to the right much warmer. So it's up to you which option is most comfortable for you. You can also schedule that feature. The option none is the manual option. You have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the feature accordingly, or turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's up to you. I will set none, and that was the whole customization of this feature. Of course we can have much faster access to it. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully and try to find proper icon right here. The nightlight is, in my case, is right here, so let's simply tap on it to turn it on and apply it, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.